Hi friends, myself Gaurav Pawar. Welcome again in the channel HJP Education Hub, YouTube educational channel. Today's topic is use of reflexive pronoun. It's also called intensive pronoun or emphatic pronoun. Reflexive case, intensive case or emphatic case of personal pronoun. Before going to the lecture, I want to request all of you guys, if you have not yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. And if you like the video, please like and share video to your friends and relatives and in your groups. Let's go on to the topic. Reflexive pronoun. It's also called reflexive case of personal pronoun. Intensive pronoun. It's also called intensive case of personal pronoun. Emphatic pronoun is also called emphatic case of personal pronoun. All three are different pronouns, but the pronouns which is included in three, all three are same. So reflexive pronoun includes the same pronoun which is in intensive pronoun and emphatic pronoun. Intensive and emphatic both are same. Intensive pronoun and emphatic pronoun both are same. Reflexive and intensive pronoun used differently. Okay, use in reflexive pronoun used to show that that subject of the sentence is receiving the action of the verb. In reflexive pronoun is used to show that subject of the sentence is receiving the action of the verb. Okay, and in intensive or emphatic pronoun is used to place emphasis on the subject. Okay, both have same pronouns, both include same pronouns like myself, ourselves, yourself, etc., but used differently. Okay, let's go in detail. We have some examples of each pronouns, each reflective or intensive pronouns of personal pronoun. First is myself. Myself is the first person singular. Myself, I can do this. Myself, I can do this myself. This is a reflective pronoun use. Here, the myself is used as a reflexive pronoun. Okay, reflexive pronoun. And myself Gaurav. Okay, this is used as a emphatic pronoun or intensive pronoun. Myself Gaurav. Then second is ourselves. This is first person plural. We can do this ourselves. Here ourselves come as a reflexive pronoun. We ourselves able to get out from this situation. Here ourselves come here as emphatic pronoun. Okay, third number is yourself. You can do this yourself. Here yourself is used as reflexive pronoun. Second example is you yourself go to school. Here yourself come as a emphatic or intensive pronoun. Okay, fourth number yourselves. You can do this yourselves. Okay, this is a reflexive pronoun. And both you yourselves go to school. Here yourselves use as a emphatic or intensive pronoun. Okay, fifth number is third person singular himself. He is doing for himself. Here himself is a reflexive pronoun. He himself passed the road. Here himself used as a emphatic or intensive pronoun. Sixth number is herself. It is also third person singular. She could able to complete this herself. Here herself is come as a reflexive pronoun. She herself have courage. Here herself is used as a emphatic or intensive pronoun. Seven number is itself. It cannot move itself. Here itself is come as a reflexive pronoun. It itself grows fast. Here itself is used as a emphatic or intensive pronoun. Emphatic or intensive pronoun. Last, themselves. As a team, they work for themselves. Here, themselves come as a reflexive pronoun. They themselves will get the result. Here, themselves as a emphatic or intensive pronoun. Thus, this is the use of reflexive pronoun and emphatic or intensive pronoun. Both are also the case of personal pronoun, reflexive case personal pronoun, intensive or emphatic case personal pronoun. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts related to this topic, please comment in the box. If you like the video, please comment good words so we could able to get more quality videos for you. Last request is that if you are not yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Thank you very much.